Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I'm going to show you how to take the burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have swipe shutter button 2. And here you have to select take burst shot. And now to take burst shot we have to swipe shutter button in the direction of like the picture, like this. Wait. Okay. So you have to swipe it down. And that's how you can take burst shot. And as you can see, here I have 15 shots. And this is like burst shots. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.